You ever take a break from writing and then sit down afterwards and think, where do I even start? Yeah, me too. But here's the thing, it's actually not the hardest thing in the world, not even close. Let me show you why. This summer I took 2 weeks off with my family. Beaches, woodland walks, ice cream, pasties, yep, the iconic Cornish pasty. And like every holiday, I didn't want it to end. Coming back to work felt daunting, especially writing. But here's the magic, I didn't lose momentum and I want to show you how. Starting again after a break can feel like climbing a mountain. You worry the flow's gone, the energy's gone, the ideas are gone. I've been there, even halfway through a programming course. I went on holiday, came back and never touched it again. Momentum lost and it hurt. But here's the difference with my writing. I have systems. Every idea goes into Trello, often via a voice memo. My workflow, Trello plus Bear app on the Mac, is flexible but structured. Combine that with templates for newsletters, Instagram stories, reels, half the work's already done before I even start. So here's the takeaway. You don't have to start from scratch every time. Build your system, capture ideas, use templates. Your next newsletter, blog post or project becomes as natural as cooking your next family meal with a well-stocked pantry. Planning for your next break starts today, not tomorrow. If you struggle to get back into writing after a break, I promise it's easier than you think. Check out my workflow tools in the description and start your next issue with confidence. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one where we keep making writing simple, sustainable, and actually fun.